Imagine every single person in the world sneezing at once. What would even happen? Let's find out. That's over 8 billion people letting out a massive achoo at the exact same time. The sound would be insane, probably louder than a rocket launch, shaking windows, setting off car alarms, maybe even rattling planes in the sky. Birds would freak out, pets would go wild, and everywhere from classrooms to offices would be pure chaos. Some scientists even think it could send a pressure wave through the atmosphere. It wouldn't destroy the world or anything, but it'd definitely be one of the loudest, weirdest moments Earth has ever had.